Hello,
Yeah, am
good
I
evening, ma'am.
good evening, Pawan? Am I audible?
Yes, audible, ma'am.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for joining. I welcome you to the Try to Thrive YouTube channel. How are you?
I am very fine.
Okay, that's great to know. How was your day?
My day is very well.
Okay, lovely. So you are here for the very first time on this YouTube channel. I
Yes,
would
yes.
like you to give your introduction.
Ma'am, my name is Pawan Kumar Misra. I have done MSc in mathematics and
Mhm.
also done in a B.Ed. And I am teaching part-time in a private school and also preparing for the various government examination. And I am continue following your video in YouTube
Mhm.
at least 2 to 3 years
Okay, it's
before.
been 2 to 3 years that you have been following me.
Yes, yes.
Okay, really
Your
glad to
way
hear.
of communication, we are talking to other different that
Yeah.
will admire me to once connect with you. So this
Okay,
is a great opportunity for me that today I will join with you. I am joining with you.
okay, great. And what else do you do in your leisure time?
What, ma'am?
What else do you do in your free time?
I have not any free time. After free, my part-time teaching, like 7 to 1, I am preparing my examination and
Mhm.
full-time busy for doing that activity. Now,
Okay.
I have recently given a government examination, KVS and VS teaching examination.
Mhm.
For means preparation, I am continue learning 4 to 11 to 12 p.m.
Okay, so you already have a lot on your plate for every day, so you
Yes,
don't have extra free time. I got it. And where are you from?
my native place is UP, but
Okay.
currently I am now living in Maharashtra.
Maharashtra for learning, for studying purpose or for particularly doing any particular job?
Particular job that is teaching in part time
Okay.
and
So
and from
couldn't you do the same
okay, okay.
job in UP as it is part-time?
No, but in a same job UP we can't get enough salary. In
Okay.
Maharashtra the salary is good for that. So that is why I joined here in a part time as a teacher.
Okay. And which
Whatever
subject do you teach?
opportunity we got, I teach mathematics subject
Okay.
and also uh, science like a physics.
Mhm. Okay, that's great. Okay. So apart from preparing for that government job, is there any other interest or in particularly reading self-help books or fiction novels, anything that you like reading?
Apart from this, I am only preparing for the government exam. I have not enough time to
Mhm.
prepare for read another book. I have not enough time. So that is why I am only fully busy with my subject. Because you know that mathematics subject is just so large.
Hmm.
There are a lot of practice, lot of question. If you are not doing, then you can't done question in whatever the time you have given in a competitive exam.
Absolutely. And okay, so can you tell me one or two things about you that you are proud of? Anything that you feel that you have that skill or you have that particular good habit or routine or something that you feel proud of that.
My one skill that I follow recently in a 2 to 3 month that
Mm-hmm.
I am now living my life as a discipline. Whatever the work, whatever the task I decide tomorrow, I have do that work timely. So this is
Okay.
a things that I have done in my recent research.
Recently, you
And
have
as
incorporated.
recently incorporated. And one thing is that self-study. That
Mm-hmm.
is, I realize that self-study is a powerful tools.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you have to got, if you want to succeed in your life in any field, the self-study is more important. And after self-study, you have to analyze that things and
Hmm.
diverse thinking. If you are applying, you will be become a good. That is thing
Right.
I am continue doing.
So it means, as you mentioned, that you are disciplined and you are very great at self-study. So do you make proper to-do list for yourself for every day, or you just go randomly, like whatever you are interested in, you would
No,
start
no,
studying that?
proper. I have made a proper timetable
Mm-hmm.
to do a task.
Mm-hmm.
Like 4 to 6 p.m. we have to do that work, and after 6 to 7, 6 to 8 we have a writing practice and practice of the whatever I have read, and
Mm-hmm.
this is the way I made my timetable.
Okay. So this is something, how long have you been following the same timetable, or do you change from time to time?
If the any task, that is any subject, any things have completed, I can simply replace that things by the another thing, whatever the skill I have not.
Mm-hmm.
Today I am also after a 1 to 2 day. Uh, Now I am simply preparing for the competitive grammar,
Hmm.
whatever the mistakes comes in a competitive grammar. So now I have after 10 to 15 day I have completed my these things. So
Mm-hmm.
after that things we have replaced by improving my speaking level, like intermediate and
Hmm.
upper intermediate level and then advanced level. So for that I am continue doing after that.
Hmm. So any subject or anything that you decide to complete, and once that is completed, you replace with something else and you start doing that.
Because I have not a time to start. So
Hmm.
at that time, whenever any task completed, I include another task to do it. So
That's
I
great.
feel
That's
very
great.
much.
Hmm. And don't you feel little lethargic during winters, because it's something where people feel that okay, they start waking up late in the morning. So do you have fixed timetable, like you wake up at the same time, you go to bed at the same time?
Yes, yes. No, I have decided whatever my task completed, I will simply go. Without completing task, I can go my bed.
Hmm. So you give yourself this
Because
task to complete each task and then.
during my summer vacation, I see one story related to these things. There
Mm-hmm.
is a two boys. One boy is a fully disciplined, and
Hmm.
another boy is always postpone their work.
Hmm.
And one boy they are continue doing work in their life.
Hmm.
Both are the same level. Their mind is the same level,
Hmm.
but the one boy always postpone their work, and another boy always doing their work in a timely to timely. When the
Hmm.
result come, one boy become successful, another become failed. So that
Okay.
story inspire me very lot. So that is
Hmm.
why one thing I am continue follow in my life as a discipline, because discipline life is a, I think before that, whenever I come from the discipline life, so my life is now become a very unrealistic.
Hmm.
Whatever we can do, whatever we cannot do, I don't know. But the life become discipline. I have a special task to do. So I enjoy a lot for doing these things.
Okay, that's great. But you must have a fixed time for waking up in the morning.
Yes, yes. My fixed time is like uh, 5:40 a.m. This is
5:40
my
a.m.
fixed
It's
time.
like, okay, and how long have you been following this timetable? Like waking up early in the morning.
I am following this technique. Uh, 1 years.
It's
From
been a
one
year.
years.
Okay,
Yes.
great. Because this is something that people struggle with a lot as the season changes, then also, and because of the laziness they feel and they just postpone. And it happens with everyone, I feel. I don't know how you are able to
Uh,
maintain for a year.
whe- Whenever I started my journey, so at after 1, 2 day, 3 day, I feel very unrealistic situation that why I am uh, waking up early in the morning and doing that things.
Mm-hmm.
My mind become say that you have to sleep continue, don't wake up early in the morning. But
Yeah.
uh, you know that I have already told one story. After seeing that story, which motivate me a lot, so
Mm-hmm.
that is why I am continue doing that stuff. Whenever I am, if you decide uh, your work tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the work you have to do,
Mm-hmm.
then you have a task for tomorrow. So you have to any task, this task you have to complete. So for
Mm-hmm.
this task you have to easily wake up because when one day I want to say that I have not completed my task. So at that time I feel guilty. So then next day I am not destroying my timetable and continue doing my that task. So this
Okay.
is the things motivate me a lot.
So you make to-do list beforehand, and then this task that you decide for yourself make you that stay focused and bring the motivation back to you, right?
Yes, yes.
Hmm, that's great. And what about then social media? Do you feel sometimes distracted, or do you check your mobile phone while studying? Or how much you are able to refrain from checking notifications and other social media?
I have only those joined those social media
Mm-hmm.
where I acquire some knowledge. Like
Mm-hmm.
I have joining on your Telegram channel, and
Mm-hmm.
also I have joined on stock market related because I am interested for that.
Mm-hmm.
And also I have joined on another education government various government exam
Mm-hmm.
education channel. So I have only see the message, and whatever I have, I don't know. I have to simply send the message, and I am using a social media as a education purpose and
Mm-hmm.
sending a message or any documents which is required.
Okay,
Instead of that, I have not doing anything, and I am not like anything because
that's great.
I know that some people wasting their time in continue chatting with social media.
Hmm.
I simply say that I know that I have whenever I am in class nine, sometimes 6 to 7. There
Hmm.
is not a mobile era at that time. The
Hmm.
cost of the talking to the person is very high at that time. But in this time, there is a no cost. You have to pay 300 rupees whether you have to talk to person or not.
Hmm.
So simply I say that if you have any work, anything, you have to simply call them and talk to them, or
Hmm.
you have to talk to video calling them. Why are you wasting your time with chatting unnecessary? If you
Hmm.
are chatting for the specific purpose that any document to send or
Hmm.
anything that you have to improving, like if suppose you want to improve your writing skill, so you have to just write anything and send your educator. Educator will correct that things. So
Hmm.
this is a very thing. This is a things which is useful for the social media. So at that purpose, I am using a social media.
Okay, that's great then. Very few people are like you who are focused and who love that self-study a lot and refrain to social media and refrain themselves from just chatting or wasting their time over mindless scrolling and such things because yes, These are distractions, and people get distracted easily because of the boom of social media and because of how technology is
Now in the
developing. Hmm.
now in this time, the scrolling on a short video, it is become very dangerous for the uh, student
Hmm.
life, because you know that student life should become a focus.
Hmm.
But if you are continue scrolling, there is only 1 second, 2 second continue video. In a 5 to 10
Hmm.
minute, you have to watch many more videos. So
Hmm.
there is no attraction.
Hmm.
Uh, Here, I am seeing that there is my two child who always watching social media and scrolling a video after 5 minutes, so many videos. They are not able to focus to watch a movie in 2 hours. Their focus is not enough. So
Yeah,
it can be destroyed, and they are also not focused in the classroom. So now
true.
the teaching the teaching task become very hard.
Hmm.
Whenever I am teaching in the classroom, children are not so focused.
Hmm. Yeah.
Their doubt is not a thinking doubt, diverse doubt, as like in my era. Their
Hmm.
doubt is a simplicity. Whatever I have written in a board, this is their doubt. Suppose I have mentioned a formula in a board, already written the formula in board.
Hmm.
Huh? But children ask same things with me. That what
Hmm.
is a formula of that? I
Okay.
am simply laughing at that time and saying that formula is already mentioned in the board. So
Hmm.
this
So
is the
means
focus
they're
level of the today's children's.
they are not that much attentive, and they don't have that leisure sharp focus because of all these distractions, all these habits now they are into, because throughout the day they just in mind also they are keep thinking about certain things which they watch on social media. And yes, kids are scrolling over YouTube a lot. They don't watch long videos. Kids mostly, whenever they have phone, they would love scrolling through shorts, not long videos. And even people who are learning there are also not able to pay attention for like 1 hour long video or 2 hours long video. They would not prefer watching that. So it is somewhere definitely damaging and destroying the attention span here of people. Okay, so we can wind the session right here because I have then now a class. So thank you so much for joining. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining. This is a great moment for me, and
Likewise.
thank you, ma'am.
Mhm. Yeah, you're welcome. Bye bye. Have a great evening ahead.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.